warm welcome. You're watching the news with me, Anubhuti Gaur. Let's take a look at what's making headlines. The Indian Premier League 2020 has been postponed till April 15th amid the deadly coronavirus, and there's a possibility that the tournament could be played behind closed doors. The team owners have suggested that the T20 league be pushed back by a couple of weeks amid the coronavirus outbreak, which has been declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization. India has banned visas till April 15th, and it would be impossible for overseas stars to join the Indian Premier League. An employee of a leather manufacturing factory in Noida has now been infected with the highly contagious coronavirus. The factory has been fumigated and sanitized, and all the employees, numbering around 700, have been kept under home quarantine. He has travel history to France and China and has been admitted to Safdarjung Hospital in Delhi, and his condition is stable. The total number of people infected with coronavirus has climbed to 78 in India. The Delhi government has banned all the sporting events, including the IPL, the seminars and conferences amid the coronavirus outbreak. Decision was taken in order to maintain social distance as a contagious virus spreads through contact. In the wake of coronavirus scare, the Delhi government declared COVID-19 an epidemic. In the national capital, schools, colleges and cinema halls in Delhi were ordered shut until March 31st. Odisha has declared coronavirus a state disaster and issued a detailed guidelines to battle the outbreak. All schools and colleges are shut in the state till the 31st of March. Gyms, cinema halls, swimming pools are closed till the end of this month. Restrictions have been imposed on public meetings, marriages and all kinds of ceremonies are to be restricted, as well as the Odisha Assembly has been suspended. Fulfilling a long-pending demand of the employees, the Union Cabinet has reportedly approved 4% increase in the dearness allowance for central government employees under the 7th Pay Commission. The move will raise the salaries of all central government employees. The Minister of State for Finance, Anurag Thakur, in a written reply in the Rajya Sabha last week, had said that DA and DR of central government employees under the 7th Pay Commission had been due from January 1st. After over 7 months in custody, the government has released former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah. After being released from detention, the leader said that "I have no words today, I am free. He also added that he will not be speaking on any kind of political matters until everyone else is also released. The Lok Sabha MP was detained under the Public Safety Act along with several leaders, including his own son Omar Abdullah and PDP's Mehbooba Mufti, on August 5th when the central government abrogated Article 370. That's all in this bulletin. Thanks for watching. The news and updates will continue on the other side.